Okay. Hi everyone. I'm Veena. Today I'm going to give FISD integration and O2C cycle process. Um, as we know, FIMM integration and P2P process same like this only FISD and O2C cycle. Generally, we raise the invoices from FI side in normal way, but in coming to real organization, they will follow proper steps. Like they will follow P2P process while purchase order, while invoice vendor invoice. Same like that. Sales organization, some from sales side also they will follow total process like O2C cycle. May not come from all the invoices from the FIZ. Some invoices comes from the sales and distribution side and purchase side. So that's why we need to follow the cycles. Okay. FISD integration is related to sales and distribution. So, result of the integration, okay? Each model is used to manage to process the business transaction in respective department. For example, of SD, it is used to manage and process business of sales and distribution department. If you take MM for to manage purchase department. For this, in every department, daily some expenses are incurred and some revenues are derived, and these are posted by the respective department by the user. Through the process of the integration, these expenses and revenues are updated in general ledgers. Okay, as result of integration, the total expenses and total revenues entire enterprise are available in the general ledger only. So SD is integrated with financial accounting module through the accounts receivable reconciliation account. We know the balance sheets have the liabilities and assets, right? So through the GLs will integrated with the SD through this account receivable. Same like that, MM also integrated with the accounts payable reconciliation account. Through this reconciliation account, FISD or FIMM integrated will happen. So CO is integrated with FI for the purpose of controlling all the general ledger are taken from the general ledger accounts only. Okay. So coming to SD, SD is related to sales, sales and distribution. When we make any sales, the all billing transactions happening in the sales and distribution module will result in FI postings. SAP sales and distribution deals with sales to customer. Okay, this is the main sales and distribution. Okay, FISD integration is started with the through accounts receivable reconciliation account in balance sheet account. Okay, coming to O2C process. O2C process first, customer inquiry. What is the O2C process? O2C process means customer inquiry, quotation to customer, sales order, creation, picking, packing, delivery. After this will post PGI, post goods issue. Then billing, bill sent to customer. Then receipt from the customer, receipt of money from the customer. Okay, okay. This is the O2C process. What is the customer inquiry? Customer will first what he is needed product, he will first inquire with some vendors who will give a specific product for required product for him. For that he will inquire regarding the product. then then quotation to customer. When he will reach us to us, he will inquire the product, will give the details, according to that we'll give a quotation to customer. So in the quotation, we'll give the product details and the availability, when it will be available in our store or or department. So these will information will send to the quotation to the customer. Okay. According to the quotation, customer will send in customer perspective, that is the purchase order. According to the quotation, customer will prepare a purchase order. He will send to us. In the purchase order, he will include the product, which products he is requiring, and which date he need, and the quantity, and the details, the terms details, he will send everything in the purchase order. That is in customer perspective. But according to purchase order, we'll create a sales order in our system. Sales order means will prepare a sales order. According to the sales order only, will pick the material and will from warehouse, the department, they will pick the material according to the sales order. Sales order includes everything. I mean the product details, same like the product details and quantity and payment terms and everything. I mean which is related to product. They will include sales order. According to the delivery date, they will pick, pack and delivery to the customer. This is the total happen in the warehouse department. So they will prepare a PGI, post goods issue. After they will send the delivery, after they will send delivery to the customer, they will prepare a PGI in our system. This is the post goods issue. Okay. And coming to billing, after PGA in our system will prepare billing. This billing this is the like customer invoice. We'll call customer invoice, but in SAP terminology we'll call this billing. This bill will send to customer. According to this bill, customer will pay the payment to our bank. This is the whole O2C process. Okay. Where the integration will happen in this process? FI to SD integration will happen at the post goods issue when PGI, because from customer inquiry, quotation to customer sales order, these are only documentation. There is no financial impacting in our organization. But when we are delivering the goods to the customer, there the our material, the product has decreasing in our store. So there is some changes happening in our system. So here the integration will start. FISD sorry, FIMM integration start will here, but FISD integration starts from the billing time. Sorry, I say FISD integration starts from the billing. Coming to what will happen in the post goods issue. Post goods issue means we are delivering the goods to the customer, their integration FI to MM, as we know, because the goods are going out, the goods are changing, the I mean the amount, whether it is increase or decrease, these will happen which is related to MM side. But coming to FISD integration will happen at billing, because we are sending the bill to the customer. According to the bill, we'll get some revenue, because PGI only the good we are sending out. This is not happening at SD level, where we'll send the bill to the customer. There the customer will involve with the stage, because he will pay to us. He can pay with the revenue, with the product plus product means cost of goods sold plus revenue. There he is paying to us. That will happen at billing level. So this is the integration with FI to SD. Integration, billing level, it will happen. Okay. After that, we'll receive the money from the customer. Okay. This is the general process. Okay. Look here, sales order. While before the sales order, the way from warehouse, they will pick, pack, and load the goods. This will happen at a warehouse department, and they will dispatch the goods and they will send to the customer. This is the PGI process, post goods issue. After post goods issue, will the accounting entry will come. Okay, the accounting entry like this: post goods issue, customer quotation, sales order, there is no general entry. But post goods issue, the cost of accounting entry is cost of goods sold account data to stock account. Cost of goods sold means how much the cost happened for that product, from from raw material to finished product, how much cost happened for that product. That is, I think, for example, we'll take 2000. Okay. Stock is going to out, right? So this is the stock will go to credit, because stock is going out. According to the real account, what will receive the debit, what will give to the out credit. So that's stock is going to credit. Okay, the value is 2000. Cost of goods sold means the how much happened that product for the finished product, the total cost which include overheads and the manpower, everything, the cost include 2000. So this is the cost of goods sold and this is the stock account. Okay, when post goods issue. After that, the bill sent to customer. After post goods issue, will send to the bill to the customer. The customer account data, customer receiving the bill. So here the amount is increasing. Why? Because um, we are in we are adding the some revenue, we are adding some revenue with the sales, with this product. Without revenue we can't sell the product, right? So that's why some in sales and distribution they will add some revenue for that product. This is related to product costing, which is coming from the controlling area. The product is having cost of goods sold plus revenue. This is the total revenue of the sales. So that's why we are going to give that sales revenue account 2500. This is the 500 is extra revenue account. It will go to total revenue account end of the period. Okay. So customer account data to sales revenue account. So FISD integration starts from VKOA. This is the billing time. Here the FISD integration will start. Okay, as I said, the customer is receiving the bill. From here only, here he will involve from the receiving the bill. He will pay. From here only FISD integration will start. Okay, this is integration is related to FIMM because all stock goods are related to only, whether it is increase or decrease, whether the movement is in within the company or from any, from company to warehouse, warehouse to department, this will happen at only. This is only material related, right? There is no person involving outside, from outside. So this is only integration related to FIMM. Okay, but here the FISD integration starts from the billing. Okay, he's going to pay this bill. So this is the integration. Okay, after that he can pay. The pays will receive the amount. So that's bank account data to customer account. Same as amount, same amount. Okay, and these are some transaction codes about inquiry, quotation, and sales order. These will not, we will not involve in these postings because SD consultant they will create all these configurations. But where we will involve in post goods issue, we will involve because post goods issue is related to total goods, the material, finished goods, trading goods, anything, the services, anything we will involve because in OBYC we will assign the respective GLs to the respective transaction keys. So that's why we will involve post goods issue, but FISD integration starts from the delivery, sorry, billing. Okay, billing from FISD integration starts. Okay. uh, these are some my examples I will show in system. Okay, these are I will show in my system. 1 minute. Okay, SAP provides the following 6 ways to determine the GL accounts in SD. Application key for the sales and distribution, account determination type, chart of accounts, customer account assignment group, material account assignment group, account key. These are all fields are involved in the table level. Okay, in SAP has given 5 tables. I will show where these have in VKOA. As I said, the integration starts from the VKOA level, right? VKOA. I'll go to direct VKOA. Here, SAP has given standard tables, 5 tables. Okay, coming to first table, here the combination of customer group, material group, account key. We'll just go inside. Okay, here we'll give application. Application means 1 minute. Okay, application means whether it is a sales and distribution level or a cash settlements level or purchasing level. We are going to SD integration side, right? So that's why we're taking V application, sales and distribution. Okay, coming to condition type, these are all condition types. Generally, the condition types is related to FI and controlling. Also, account determination. Condition type means which condition type we are using with the finance side or with the controlling side or with the end period and valuation side. We are going to configure account determination with finance side, KOFI. This condition type is standard, which has defined by the SAP. Okay, so with this application, with this condition type, will add our chart of account and our sales organization. Okay, this is my chart of account. This is my sales organization. Sales organization will created by the sales and distribution team, but this chart of accounts will create by us. Okay, what is this account key? This account key is, this is related to customer groups, whether the customer is related to domestic or foreign. These are revenues. Okay, domestic revenue, foreign revenue, but this is related to customer side. The revenue is related, the revenue where it is coming from, the revenue by the domestic customers or foreign customers or affiliated customers related. So we are differentiating from the these account key, whether our customer group is related to domestic, right? So we have to select these domestic revenues. Okay, according to the group, customer group, we will select these are created by the um, SD consultants. These are back end configuration, this one and this condition types also they will configure custom, sorry, SD consultant, they will configure condition types, account keys. But this account key is related to totally products. I mean related. This is material related. Total trading goods, finished goods, which product we are using. Finished goods, for we are selling the product. That is which product, which means trading product. Trading product means will buy as it is and will sell with the profit. And finished goods means will buy some raw materials, will do some finished product in our organization. The finished product will sell to the customer. Same like services we are giving, and these are some differentiates are there. They have classified these account keys like this according to the material, services, fees, like this. So we are using for the product, that is finished product. Okay, so I have selected three finished product. Okay, this is related to This account key is determined in material master. This account is will determine in master through this account determination. This GL will pick. This account determination will give in customer master. This account determination will give in material master. Through this combination, this GL will pick. The condition type is FI related. So these are the condition types with the accounting keys we are maintaining in VKOA. What is the account key? ERL. ERL means revenue. This is revenue related, right? Sales revenue. So when we sell the product to the customer which is include with the revenue only. So this revenue GL we are assigning here. This is the revenue GL, sales revenue GL. I'll show. No, this is not mine. I'll I'll give some inputs. Application V and condition type coffee and chart of accounts QGAS and sales organization also QGAS. Account assignment 1 and account assignment 3. Sorry, 3. And account key is No, sorry, URL. This is my chart of accounts with the combination of condition type, application, and account key and URL. Account assignment and account key. This account key also created by the SD consultant in backend. Okay, these will they will give required accounting keys. According to the accounting keys, account assignments will provide the GLs. This is 3 lakh 2, right? This is sales revenue GL. 3 lakh 2. Say revenue on sales. Revenue on sales. Sales GL. Okay, revenue sales GL account. This is if you are providing any provisions for this. This is the P&L account GL. This is related to balance sheet GL. If you want to add any provisions GLs, end of the period, it will pick from the this combination, the provision GLs. Okay. So mainly we will use the GL revenue GL or some I'll show the accounting keys with the combination will give GL. For example, rebate. Rebate sometimes customer sometimes will give rebate to customer because if he is buying bulk any bulk product from us, so the time will give some rebates to the customer, means which is like promotion or like discount, which is related to that is only rebate sales deductions. Okay, so that GL, for that GL, we have to assign this key, accounting key, ERB with the GL will give the combination. Again, we'll make new entries. Same the which product is related, which customer he is, so domestic or foreign. That combination will give the revenue debate GL here. According to the requirement, will give the keys, the GLs, the combination in VKOA. So this is the combination system will pick the this GL in billing time. When we make a bill to the customer, that time the system will pick this sales revenue account. Okay, these combinations only. If you want to give any other combination, then make a new entries and they make a give other GLs also. Okay, this is main FISD integration. This combination will give. Okay. As of now, is there any doubt? Okay. Why they have given all these extra tables? Because if you want to add any tables, the SD consultant will, if they will require, they will configure the tables according to their requirement. But system has SAP has given standard tables 5. Coming to 001, they have given total combination customer, material, account key. These are 3 combinations we are giving the GL account. First system will check this GL. First system will check table 1. There the system will satisfy these combinations conditions. System will pick the this GL. Otherwise, if you not mention any material related group, material related account, system will pick only these combinations GL only. Means the condition type with the chart of accounts, the customer related, and the accounting key. In some scenarios, we'll make table 2 and table 3 according to this system will pick which GL has we provided, which in which table. So first system will pick table 1 and after that it will go to table 2, table 3. If the satisfied with the table 1, then system will pick this GL. Otherwise it will go to say a second table or third table. Okay. This is totally related to customer and accounting. This is not related to material. And this is related to total material related, but not a customer group side. This is general. Will give only the chart of accounts and organization. We are not going any give any accounting keys, account determinations here. Okay, I'll show where we are giving these account determination. These account determination is related to a customer master, right? Okay. In customer master, sales area data. In sales area data, we'll give this 1 minute. I'll show this. What is the account determination? 01 domestic revenues, right? This will give this customer is related to domestic account group related customer. So that's why we are taking their customer is related to domestic, revenue is related to domestic. So here we'll give the account assignment group domestic revenues. Okay, this is in customer master data, sales organization, third field billing documents. This is the domestic revenues account assignment group, domestic revenues. So this account assignment system will pick this customer is related to what where it is, this related to this accounting key and this condition type. So these conditions when satisfied, system will pick this GL. Okay, same like that. This is related to material 03. What is the 03? Finished goods. So this account assignment will give in material master. Say here in material master, in sales organization data 2 will give the account assignment. Here this is a material master, the finished product laptop. Okay, that is sales and distribution tab will give the account assignment finished goods. Same, the account assignment is there in VKOA. Same like this here, this is related to finished goods. Okay, with this combination, system will pick this GL. In any of this combination has not maintained in material master, in customer master, system will give the error. System will give the error if you are missing any these account determination, account assignment, system will give the error. So this is the account assignment with the condition types and accounting keys in VKOA. So same like that will maintain many GLs according to our requirement. Same the combination. Okay, 1 minute. See here, the main part of SAP FISD integration involves the account determination, which done with the accounting settings, some settings, application, condition type, chart of account, sales and distribution, customer account assignment, material account assignment, account key. These are will maintain in VKOA. Okay. Coming to some of the standard accounting account keys are there. As I shown, right, these accounting keys, ERL related to revenue, and ERB related to rebate, sales deduction, cash clearing. Some if we are maintaining any GLs, we have to assign here with this key, accounting key. Okay. Some examples have given ERB say rebate sales deductions, freight revenues. Freight is means, so this is also some type of income while purchase while sales the product will get some freight. This is also some revenue, but this is some expenses. Rebate deduction, sales deduction. Rebate means will get income. Sales rebate means will get some rebate from the vendor. This is also rebate, right? Will assign here. Cash settlement, sales tax, these are some accounting keys. Okay, coming to prerequisites for SAP FISD integration. Okay, if you want to maintain FISD integration, these are prerequisites. Material master, we need a material master, a customer master, a condition records. These are maintained by the SD consultants. Okay, condition records in which involves the price and the tax. Without the price, without the tax configuration, we can't get the accounting entries FI side while posting the billing, while posting the post goods issue, goods delivery. That time will not get the entries. without this price configuration and tax configuration, so that SD consultant will configure the different of price combinations. For the tax configurations they will configure. Okay, these are prerequisite for the FISD integration. Configuring the price condition in V/08, this is taken care by the SD consultants only. Coming to GL accounts, we'll create a GL accounts according to the sales, discounts, commissions, rebates, as I said, right, rebate deductions. Like this, we will create according to our requirement. The GLs will create in FS00. So account determination VKOA. As I said, in account determination happen in VKOA. This is OBYC transaction dates. As of we know how the cost of goods sold entry will come. This is the cost of goods sold entry, right? With the combination of GBB transaction key and BS6 transaction key. I'll show in the system. When post goods issue, the entry will come COGS account data to stock account. Okay. Stock account we know BS6 already FIMM integration. There we have configured. But COGS is related to totally clearing accounts. Inventory posting. This is totally 1 minute. This inventory posting, whether we in our organization, whether it is a raw material or finished product or any multi products, any product will maintain here particular product the GLs here with the combination of valuation class. We know the valuation modifier, valuation class. We know we have discussed in FIMM integration. So according to the valuation class, we'll assign the GLs here. This is related to 3000 means raw material GL. We are buying raw material from the vendor. Okay. After finish the product in our organization, that will goes to finished product. Here also the finished product also will maintain every product, whether it is finished, raw material or semi-finished or any services. We have to maintain the GLs with the combination of valuation class here. This is totally related to inventory. This is totally related to goods, materials, anything that is related to in our organization products. Okay. Coming to GBB. What is the BSX, as I said, stock related, right? So next coming to GBB. GBB is the accounting key, transaction key. Yeah, here it is the GBB. Offsetting entry for inventory posting. Offsetting entry means if, for example, if you are buying some products, okay, that is related to BSX transaction, all inventory related, but the product is going some warehouse, or the product is reducing, or the product is some scrap is there. This means the product is related to the services related to, which means those happening in our organization. These are offsetting entries which is related to products or services. Okay, here the rules. Here we'll maintain the rules according to the rules for offsetting entries. General modifier, valuation class. Some cases we don't configure with the combination modifier. We'll take only general modification valuation class. In some cases we are not maintaining plant related. Just this is only department level. So that case will take this general modifier and valuation class. This combination only will maintain the GL account. But in most of the cases they will maintain the valuation modifier also. Coming to accounts, this is the account. I'll show the valuation modifier. As we know, the plant or company code. Okay, valuation general modifier VBR means VBR. Here, yeah, VBR for internal goods issue. As I said, right, this is only happening at internal level only. The goods what happening, the scrap, or we are sending some other place, like that this offsetting entries will pick. according to the movements in our organization. For internal goods issue, for example, we are issuing the goods to cost center or production. For example, if you are buying some goods from the vendor, that is a BSX transaction. After that, from one department to we are sending another department for the manufacturing. That is also that is also one movement. So that will give one offsetting entry, internal goods issue, whether it is production issue or whether it is any warehouse issue, from warehouse to a department issue. These will happen at these account transaction keys, offsetting transaction keys will maintain the GL accounts. Okay, the VBR is internal goods issue. Okay, mm, this VBR is related to GL account 300,105. 300,105. Increase and decreasing of stock. I said right, whether it is the stock as increasing or decreasing or scrapping or moving, any any that related to stock happening in our organization will give a specific GL according to the valuation class, according to the GL general modification. These are some general modification keys. ZOF. ZOF means I'll show in goods receipt with production order. Okay, after finished that material, we bought that raw material. After production, after manufacturing, the finished product will come, right? In our that finished product will receive from the production to warehouse or some sales organization. That is also one movement type. So here we will give that combination goods receipt without production order. This is the ZOF transaction key. Any movement, any movement, we have to remember, FI consultant, we have to configure all these combinations, whether the goods is moving or scrapping or increasing or decreasing, anything. We have to configure according to the general modification, general modifier. These keys will maintain the GL accounts, scrapping account, increasing and decreasing or moving, any of these combination we have to maintain these transaction keys. Some of transaction keys I have given this VAX, VBR. VAX means goods issue for sales order. We are issuing the goods from our organization to sales organization, from production or warehouse to um, sales organization. This is also one movement type. So for that we have to give this VX transaction key. Okay. VBR, AUF, goods receipt from production, RBS, initial stock balances. If you want to maintain stock balances, goods balances, for that we have to maintain this BSA transaction key. VA goods issue with the sales order. Like this, I have some collected some GBB transaction keys. Okay, these are related to transaction keys. These are GBB offsetting entries. Offsetting entries. These are transaction keys. BSX, GBB, WRX, we know GRI clearing account. PRD, price difference. Will maintain if any price difference is there for a moving price to, for example, if we bought some raw material from the vendor, 1,000. So after moving to our manufacturing to finished product, the product will price will increase 1,500. So the 500 will goes to price difference account. End of the day, the price difference and total price of the product which will come on the under balance sheet account. This price difference account balances will shown in the balance sheet account. Okay, this is purchase account, purchase offsetting. These are the OBYC, sorry, yeah, OBYC transaction keys. GBB, I said PRD, freight, revenue, like this transaction with the combination of transaction keys will assign the GL accounts according to the requirement. This is our duty to maintain FIMM integration and VKOA integration. We have to maintain the combination of transaction keys, will maintain the GL accounts. Okay. These are some, as I said, the transaction keys in OBYC. OBYC. Okay. In standard SAP, only three transaction event keys are having account modifier. As I said, right, the offsetting entries, they have given only three: GBB, PRD, and K1. These are offsetting entries. With this combination, they will maintain these offsetting entry keys. Okay, account modifier. Yeah. Totally, this is the FIMM integration. I will show for example, sales order 20230. How it happen? In my system have some issues related to SD. So I don't want to go in depth. So that's why I'll show already I have posted some predefined. Okay, 20230. Right. Okay. Total I'll this one. Okay, this is coming. Okay, this is the billing document. Before the billing document, there have some sales order, standard order. This is related to sales order. Okay, sales order, which includes material. This is not mine. This is not mine. Okay, this is some others. Okay, just I want to show you how the billing happen in my system having some problem. So I don't want to go in depth. Okay. After order, sales order, they have made a delivery. It's a delivery document. Display the document in it. Here the accounting documents are there. Here the accounting documents. This is the document which is related to gain or loss with that product, sales revenue account, customer, and with which includes tax also. This is the billing. Okay. Invoice cancellation. Okay, they have cancelled the invoice also. That is, I think this is reversed. I think so. Yeah, reverse this. Okay. I wanted to show you, but in my system having some issues, so that's why I'm unable to. If anyone knows, please could you tell me that billing is not happening in my system. I don't know what happened. The document is not relevant for accounting. It's showing. This is same I have shown, right? Laptop one. This document is not relevant for accounting. Accounting document is not coming. It's showing the error. Yeah. If I have time, if I have any chances, I'll create a material from MM side and I'll show until the will get cash from the customer through that product, which means FIMM and FISD. How we are going to post and how the movement happening. If I have time, I will show that after this problem was solved, I will show that which is related to billing document. Yeah, this is my explanation. Thank you so much. Uh,
Nice explanation, Reena Garu.
Thank you.
Your efforts are showing here.
Thank you. Thank you. Actually, I wanted to show everything, but I think the SD configurations are needed in my system. The pricing, it's showing the pricing configuration. I tried in HANA also, but it's not working. HANA also have HANA is totally difficult to maintain FIMM, FISD. Lot of configurations are there. I'm getting lot of errors. So I am
So much
unable to.
difference between ECC and S/4HANA.
Yeah, too much. Most of the configurations is related, SD related. We are facing their configuration issues. So the
Yes,
because
so
of the
much difference
configuration,
and
uh, yes, 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 yes.
Nice explanation, Veena.
I
Thank you,
think
thank.
everyone get the SPFI integration errors.
Yeah,
No one,
y- yes, yes,
maybe
yes.
no one full like OTC process. No one